Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Python packages and confirming your runtime. This gives you the tools to run models. Once done, export your Hugging Face API token so code can authenticate without prompts. Then pick a model ID that matches your hardware and latency needs and set device to CPU or CUDA. Run a simple load call to ensure the model downloads. If the model errors, recheck package versions and your token to move forward quickly. You will now load the tokenizer and model, choosing either the high-level pipeline for speed or the auto model classes for control. Make sure to set generation args like max length and temperature. Adjusting top P and repetition penalty controls creativity and repetition. If GPU memory is tight, enable 16-bit precision or use model offloading and device map to split layers across devices. Test with a short prompt. Evaluate output quality and iterate on parameters to balance cost, speed, and coherence. You finish by integrating the model into an application and exposing a simple endpoint for inference. This lets other services call your model. Make sure to log latency, memory, and token counts so you can spot regressions. Once deployed, implement batching and caching to reduce cost and improve throughput. If you hit OOM or slow responses, reduce batch size, lower precision, or use a smaller model to recover quickly. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.